Hello and welcome to another episode of Travel Chef. We have been making many videos on wine, on curry and dessert for the past couple of months. So today we have thought of making something different, and it is how to prepare garlic pickle at home. In fact, garlic pickle can be prepared at home is very simple and easy, and using our recipe it can be done in a matter of few minutes. So let me cut the talk and show you how this recipe is made. So come on. Pickle has always been an integral part of our Indian food, and also it brings out the flavor of the food. To make garlic pickle, we need 500 grams of garlic which is peeled and washed. The next we need 1 teaspoon of mustard. We need 2 teaspoons of fenugreek. Then we need 4 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder, 2 teaspoons of ordinary chili powder, 1 teaspoon of jeera powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, one teaspoon of hing or asafoetida, 3 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, 3 ladles of vinegar which we need to keep it aside, and 4 ladles of gingerly oil which forms an integral part of. The next ingredient is 3.5 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of sugar. These are the ingredients which we need to keep aside before making our garlic pickle. The next step is the cooking process. First we need to roast 2 teaspoons of fenugreek on a tawa. In fact, adding fenugreek seeds or methi seeds while making pickles will help to prevent heartburn, ulcers that is caused by using chili powder which is used in pickles. Now the fenugreek, or otherwise called as ulva, turns brown in color and then it starts spluttering in the pan. This is the time to take it down. The next step is to powder the roasted fenugreek in a stone pestle. After thoroughly grinding our fenugreek seeds, we need to now add 3 ladles of cooking oil onto a tawa. We have used rice bran oil. Using cooking oil while making pickles is to avoid the unpleasant smell and taste that is resulting in the decomposition of garlic when it is stored in the pickle bottle. In fact, cucumber was first pickled 4,500 years ago in Mesopotamia as it has low calories. Later on, other vegetables and fruits have also been used to make pickles. Once the oil is hot enough, we need to add 1 teaspoon of mustard and wait for it to splutter. After the mustard has been fully spluttered, we need to now add the half kilo of garlic that we had kept aside previously. As we stir our garlic and make a pickle, let us discuss some health benefits of eating garlic. Firstly, garlic helps us to fight cold and flu. Secondly, it helps to reduce hypertension. Third, it helps to improve our body immunity. It is especially good in fighting COVID virus that might attack us. Fourth, it helps to lower cholesterol levels. Fifth, it helps to reduce our heart diseases. Sixth, it helps to clear our intestinal problems. Seventh, garlic helps to prevent cancer. And eighth, it helps to cure asthma. Now we need to add 3.5 teaspoons of salt. Now we need to blend the salt along with the garlic that is already in the pan and it's frying. The next ingredient to add is 3 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. And we need to continuously stir the ingredients together. By the way, adding ginger garlic paste is to help in the digestion and is also having an anti-inflammatory property. The next ingredient to add is half a teaspoon of turmeric. As we stir the ingredients, we need to add 2 teaspoons of ordinary chili powder. This would add a little spiciness to our pickle. The next masala to add is 4 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder. This will give the color to our pickle. We are adding Kashmiri chili powder to make the pickle. This is because it gives it a bright red color to the pickle, but it does not add to the spiciness of the food like ordinary chili powder. Now we need to add 1 teaspoon of jeera powder. The next is to add ground fenugreek powder, which we had kept aside at the start of this video. Now we need to add 1 teaspoon of hing. Hing is otherwise called as asafoetida or cayenne. Now we need to stir and mix all the ingredients together until the oil of the garlic starts coming out. Now we need to add 1 ladle of gingerly oil. 1 ladle is approximately 30 ml of gingerly oil to the garlic and the ingredients that is cooking. The next is to add 3 ladles of vinegar, which is approximately 90 ml of vinegar. This enhances the tanginess flavor in the garlic pickle. Well, as we stir our ingredients together, have you ever thought, why do we add spices in the pickles? Using spices in making home-cooked pickle has its origin in ancient times, which follows a particular Ayurvedic principle. This is done to balance the heating and the cooling doshas. As a result, we balance our taste in the pickle, like making it sweet, sour, saltish, bitter, astringent or pungent. Also, there is an art of adding garam masalas, as nowadays restaurants add them indiscriminately. In fact, Indian cooking does not need to use garam masalas. Next is to add 2 teaspoons of sugar to the garlic pickle which is being cooked. This would give a little sweet taste to the pickle, but let's not overdo with this ingredient. As we are almost finished making our pickle, I wanted to tell you, cooking is an art, and also adding spices too is an art. Spices are added at different stages of cooking. Stronger spices are used at the start of the cooking process. Either they are pounded or in whole form. They try to leach out the flavor of the food. Also, moreover, aromatic spices such as cardamom are used at the end of the cooking. This is to give the smell for the food. Now a tasty and lip-smacking garlic pickle is ready to be served. I hope you can try this dish, and if you use our recipe, please let us know in the comment section below. Now our garlic pickle is bottled and ready to be eaten. We hope that you liked watching our videos, and we request you to share it with your friends if you found this video useful and informative. Please do not forget to like, share and comment on our videos. This will help us to improve our channel and the quality of recipe videos that we make in future. Also, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and until the next video, take care, see you soon and stay safe. Bye-bye.